We did have some gorgeous weather over the weekend, but have you ever wondered why the sky is blue or how we get those stunning colors during sunrises and sunsets?
Candace Monticelli joining us live to explain all of this. Hey there.
Hey, good morning. Yes, all weekend we had those crystal clear blue skies, absolutely gorgeous. And so often we get those beautiful colors in sunrise and sunsets. But why blue? Why not different colors? Today's experiment will explain it all, and we will see that blue coloring with our light. So here's a list of what you need to get started. Really simple today. Just a flashlight, a 2-liter bottle or a large vase, milk, and water. So first you want to take that bottle, or I chose a vase, and fill it up about 3/4 of the way with water. Then take your milk, and I've eyeballed it. You do about a teaspoon or so at a time, and I've just been doing a quite a large splash to start off with this morning, and then mixing that around. Then you need to take your flashlight and just simply shine it on your vase. You're going to start to see a blue tint when you shine this, because this is what's happening. The water before you put the milk in is acting as if the atmosphere is totally clean, no pollution, no dust, no nothing. Pretty much impossible. But then we add in that milk, and that adds in that dust, the pollution, anything that we find in our atmosphere, and the flashlight is our sunlight. So when you aim this onto your vase, play around with the angles a bit. I know it's really difficult to see on camera, but you'll see that blue tint directly where you put that flashlight. And why we're seeing the blue tint is because the light, it's bending, scattering, and reflecting. This is exactly what the sun does in our atmosphere. But why blue? Random, if you would think, but why blue? There's a reason for it, because our light, it is scattered. It's distributed unevenly. So we have that visible spectrum of light of all different colors. Well, we see blue because it's the shortest and quickest wavelength. It gets to us the quickest. So that's why we see blue the most, because all the other colors of the visible spectrum, they have a harder time getting through all this dust, pollution, and everything to reach our eyes. So that blue color reaches our eyes first, since that light is not distributed evenly. But when we have sunrise and sunsets, we see all the different colors because our sun is at a different angle. So that's like taking this flashlight at a different angle, and we'll start to see some of those oranges, those yellows, even at times purples, pinks, all different types of colors. So for this experiment, the more milk you add, you'll start to be able to see some of those different colors in the way of oranges and yellows. So a little bit of a scientific method you can use to see how much milk it takes to start to get some different colors. But it's all about those wavelengths and how quickly that certain color reaches our eye. So we've answered the age-old question of why blue? Why is the sky blue? Now you know. You can tell all your friends, and definitely try this out. Send me your pictures on Facebook. I love to share those on my Facebook page featuring those future meteorologists. And there is a full list of instructions on fox17online.com.